kina rudan su suna tafi amma wallahi Brown ya fi miki ba har abada duk abin da kika yi a cikin wannan tafiyar namu na neman arziki na neman tafiyar namun nan na neman incin kanmu daga gurin mummunan kasar Fulani na Najeriya din nan dama ke yan Najeriya ce yar wannan Najeriya ce da kika mallaki yar wannan Najeriya ke shigo ne zaki zo ki yanke mu wallahi Brown ya fi miki ba dama na riga na biya miki kwanaki duniya har duniya rushe har abada mun tsine miki har abada mun tsine miki har abada yau haka ne kuma ya dace haka kuma yake kasance amin 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 na ba ta sakon
That was fantastic.
You want me to tell the mad woman in Georgia?
Yes. Let me get permission. I don't mind paying $10 extra. Let's adjust.
Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. This video we have reacted on it, in the past, where Ado Koko and the rest of them decided to speak the language that their mother tongue, and that's not an issue. Everybody have right to say whatever they want to say based on the language that you want to use. It's up to you. But this idea of lying to our people simply because you want to push out narrative to support your own agenda that's the only thing that that I felt that is wrong, and we need to say something about it. Now, this is what happened during that fundraising. All of a sudden, Ado Koko decided to do what she knows how to do best at her age, trying to lie and deceive people. But Biafra have known, all of them now. Before now, her respect was up there. Now, I don't know if she does anything like respect at all. Coupled with the video that they made a few days ago, where she printed pictures, and her picture was there. Again, Ada Okoko decided to, not Ada Okoko, sorry, Ogeke decided to do his own part by dragging her again to make her identity or her status to look so nice, even though they're all working in the same, working for the same Alhaji. But Ogeke said something. He made it clear to us that this woman is working hard for her to be, to fall back in the cabinet as a repentant saboteur or propagandist and all that. So when you hear her lying about CS, lying about everybody, twisting words, pushing Adan to come out and do one or two things, it's all about clearing their way to prove to Ogekere, look, I am a very good servant. I'm a very good, I'm obedient to you. Just give me more chance. Is it not to fight either and USB government? Leave it for me. I will do that. So that as long as we welcome it back, to $400 group and all that. So you know what I mean. Now, this is not to twist anything, but many of you know about the issue of 400. Well, I know some of them. So you also said that those people pay the 400 that you have evidence. The people that said it, they are not hidden, you know them. So you should also tackle them first before you come to me, because we are told that he is paying their media team money. So not that we are told in secret, it's on social media. So don't come to me for that. You know the genesis of that, and Ogekere have not come out to debunk it. In fact, let me mention the person that actually said that, even when she fell back and started to apologize, for you to know how criminal minded that Dandy Tibarbo can be. How many of you noticed that she capitalized on the money that they said allegedly paid to Ogekere account by Nigerian government or Nigerian, I think any governor? There's a rumor about it. But this woman capitalized on that money. Oh, I am not the one that said it. I'm not the one that said it. It's Rose. Okay, what about the one that you told us that Ogekere gave to you? Did you hear her talk about it? The answer is no. I'm saying this just to remind you of who they are, not for any other reason. Now, please, let me use the opportunity to encourage you to like the video, subscribe to the channel in case if you have not. It is very, very good that you do that, and put your comment section coming. Okay, put your comment or comment section rather, so that people will know, I will know also your own take on what you are talking about. Okay, moving forward. This woman, Adokoko, claimed that COS grew up in the north. I think she said that she moved to north when she was 12 years. And uh, last time I checked, they are not, I don't think they're from the same town. I don't think Adokoko. I start to be corrected on that. I don't think COS and Adokoko, they are from the same time. Neither are they the same age mate. Okay? Ọ bụ na Adokoko n'ụdị n'oge, ọ ka gọrọ ịmụta ọnụ CS. Why abụghị obere mmadụ? Because ọ kajago na akaja na age o, which is good. Age, old age is a thing of blessing and joy, but you must also respect that your age. Do you understand? You have to also respect your age. Why am I saying that? This woman claimed that she has moved to north and married a Fulani person. That is where she got the name of Haramatu. Haramatu too. These are Fulani women in our midst, to be honest. The way they pronounce this northern name is so easy for them. And the same people telling everybody, oh, you are Fulani, oh, you are Fulani. They have people in their midst rapping Fulani language or Northern language without any comma, without any full stop. They are very good at that. Even though some people say that their Fulani language, the Hausa Northern language is not all that good, but so for them to speak it on camera and have the temerity to turn around and tell you that you are Fulani goes to show that these people are very, very bad. I mean, they don't have any shame. You are the one that speaks the language very fluently. You don't learn that language by, by making friendship only. You must be part and parcel of them. You must have lived in their midst. And you said you are, I don't know. Yet your father, which is who's supposed to be second in command to Igwe of their village, is done Onowu, yet you grew up in the north. It doesn't add up. Maybe this to tell you that they are the one that may be married to a northerner, and because you can testify to that, they are very good in making sure that the turn things they are doing, they will use their own mistakes or their own bad side to criticize others, so that it will shift your mind, from where they are. They will not. So you will not be. You won't have time to question them or to think about what they're doing. Okay, so we are going to listen to this again because CS says something about it, and let us read message from CS. Breaking. I don't know who and her gangsters. Liars with joy, Eurobe clapping. Liars with joy, Eurobe clapping. That is joy. The joy Eurobe is something that Biafra don't talk much about, but judging by her antecedent so far, you can tell that woman is up to something. I don't know her. I hardly even recognize her picture. Just 2 days ago, someone showed a picture of a woman with how can they my Cameroon. Like Cameroonian women that she's the Joy Yorubi they're talking about. I don't know her, but I have seen some clips and some almost every in any way they have gossip and something that is not a kind of conflict. Her name will always be mentioned, and to me, I don't feel comfortable with that. And someone said that she's very good friend to Ifa Yoba. That summarizes everything. So I mean Leti Fayoba, and she's from Nnewi, the same where the Chief Justice of Nigeria came from, which is Imam Madaba and other. So I don't know. But let's continue. Joy Eurobe clapping and Ogenkere group clapping and Ogenkere group. So which means other Ogenkere group. Biafrans asked this old fool to show evidence of I think seriously what I'm saying maybe is evidence of me living in the north with the living in the north with the USB. Okay, show evidence of living in the north. Yeah, that is, I don't know, to show evidence of her presence in the north with a USB DPM. That is CS Deputy Prime Minister. CS is now demanding evidence from her. Since you said that she live with you in the north, bring the evidence. You can't see it anywhere. These are individuals paid by Nigerian state and legitimize Southeast and the Southeast South governors to disrupt Biafran independence. They fought Nnamdi Kanu, they fought Simon Ekpa, they have been stopped by Dr. Orabeze. USB is a sovereign state. This is something that when CS mentioned this that USB is a sovereign state, that this thing hit them differently. None of them that they hate it so much. That is why the one called Nkiru have been she's the one that's doing the like kind of that dirty business, trying to explain to their group the reason why fallback is ultimate. I made a video in the past about her, and there's another video that may come anytime soon about her so-called lecturing Biafrans on what it means to fall back and what it means to declare USB in their own little mind. Coming from somebody as of May last year, a week, 1 year this month, was busy insulting PM. The video, the screenshot is everywhere. I said I'm gonna post it, but after saying that, I always forgot to do that. I will try my best to post that her chat for record purpose. And for those who care to read it, we understand that the woman called Nkiru Helen Peters, and many of them, Eunice PB, all of them, all those women that you don't even know their name as of this time last year. All of a sudden, they are now PM experts. Like they can tell you the food PM love to eat, the kind of attire, the clothes, the kind of environment he want to be, his thought and everything. You that follow PM since 2021, since 2020, you don't know anything. All of a sudden, you don't know anything about PM anymore. Ike Gugwa. Anyway, my people, just like the video and tell me what you think about it. I just want to make a quick reaction on this. We will come back again for a new video. Before then, like the video, like I said. God bless you. And don't forget to put your comment section. Let us know your own take on that. The reason why I don't play that voice much here is because we have already reacted on that voice here on the video on this platform. So there's no need to repeating it again. You know what they said here, which is CS is a Fulani woman, and this, and all these lies, and how they were speaking Hausa language without looking back. And those who claim they hate, they despise, Fulani and Hausa, no, Fulani, Northerners and others, are the one clapping for them to speak it, for them to rap it very, very well. Then you can tell the level of the hypocrite. God bless you and see you again. Bye bye for now.